Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning April 5th to the 11th. And this is my second Easter spread because in the UK, at least, we have Easter Monday. So I consider this an Easter week as well. I'm using the Splash Bunnies kit from Glam Planner, which is a really beautiful kit. And I'm pairing it once again with Rose Gold Sparkle, and it's from the Planner Pixie Co. like the last Easter video. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So as usual, I'm going to let you guys watch me lay down my base, and I'll be back for the day by day. Enjoy. Okay, so now for the day by day. In the sidebar, I'm putting a paper Shire baby sticker to note that I think this was the week that one of my husband's family members had a baby. So I wanted to mark that in the sidebar. So start with Monday. Also, in this video, I'm not going to note down the boxes that I'm using just because you guys can see that. So at the start, I used this Whimsical Cat Studio couple sleeping sticker to note that we stepped in. I then used a piece of sticker from a foil bundle. I think this is a Caress Press foil bundle, looking at the foil, to note that we had pizza for breakfast. So we had the pizza on the Sunday before, and we ate the leftovers for breakfast. I then used a house sticker from the kit to note that I went to my mum's house, and then I used a cleaning sticker from Joy of Planning and a cleaning day script from the Caress Press foil bundle to note that I had a cleaning day. The mum's house script is from Bella Planner, a custom. So if you want to shop her, use my code ADIATU15 to get 15% off. I then used a video sort of sticker from the Caress Press foil bundle and a film Plan With Me script from Randy.Plans, which is a custom, to note that I filmed Plan With Me. I then used a FaceTime sticker from I'm going to say the Once More of Love and an observation script from Bella Planner to note that I did my observation. I then used a Joy of Planning girl with stickers, I guess, and an organised sticker script from Adorably Amy Designs to note I organised my stickers. And at the bottom, I used a computer icon from the kit to note that that we were binge watching the 100. Moving on to Tuesday, I used a Coffee Monsters Co. emoji with tea and a tea script from Randy.Plans and an arrow from Bella Planner to note that I drank some tea and toast, and I think it was a good batch, so I wanted to mark it. I then used a Whimsical Cat Studio Plan With Me sticker to note filming a Plan With Me. And then I used a planner sticker from the kit and a fun planning script from Bella Planner to know I did some more fun planning. I then used a YouTube icon from the kit and a Plan With Me binge script from Bella Planner to know another Plan With Me binge. I then used a Paper Shire binge watch sticker to note that I was watching. What was I watching? Was I watching the 100? I don't think so. Guess it was to note that I was watching the 100. I'm sure I would have been watching it with my husband, but yeah, the bits that note I was watching the 100. I then used a movie marquee. That's a leftover. I don't recall what shop that is from, and a Glamora sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. and a Guardians of the Galaxy script from. Where is it from? The Magical Sticker Co. Is that what it's called? I think so. From Lindsay Morgan Plant on here on YouTube to know I was watching that. I think I did it in a different order. I watched the film first because I watched it by myself, and I watched the 100 with my husband, but I think it just fit better this way. On to Wednesday. At the top of Wednesday, I used a tired girl from Paper Shire to know I was super tired. Then used a Coffee Monsters Co. tea sticker again and a tea script from Randy.Plans to know I had some tea that morning. I then used a foiled icon from, what is it called? The Pink Diamond Planner Co. I can't see what it is. Let's see what is to mark. I think it's meant to be a TV or something. I can't see it because I'm looking at a picture of my planner, not my actual planner. And the foil, foil doesn't photograph well, so let me see it in the... Oh, it is a Dr. Stethoscope to know I was watching The Resident, which is a doctor show. That makes sense. And then I used these the Harriet Rat Designs comb and scissors sticker to know I took out my hair. Then used a Fox and Cactus FaceTime cat thing and an observation script and an arrow, which are both from Bella Planner to note that I did my observation. I then used a YouTube play button from Adorably Amy Designs and a Plan With Me binge script from Bella Planner to do a Plan With Me binge. And at the bottom, I used a paper and thread sticker of a girl binge watching to note so that we watch more of the 100. 100. Moving on to Thursday. At the top of Thursday, I used a Peppershire girl like sleeping and cuddling a teddy bear to note I was super sleepy this morning. I then used a stethoscope sticker. I think that one's from the GP Studio to note that I was watching more of The Resident. I then used a camera sticker from Fox and Cactus and a film script from Harriet Wright Designs to note I filmed some videos. I then used a wash hair sticker from, where is that from? The Honeybee shop maybe, to note that I washed my hair, which I had taken out the day before. I then used this Fox and Cactus like shaving gel sticker to note I was doing some like self-care, should I say. I washed my hair, did some shaving. I then used a GP Studio like gel with a comb to note that I did my hair. What did I do to my hair? I think I twisted it. I then used this couple sticker from the Whimsical Cat Studio to note that we watched Snowfall, and I believe it came out on Wednesday so we could watch on Thursday, so that was the up-to-date episode. On to Friday, I used a Mitzi Cat Stuff petrol sticker to note that I got some petrol. I then used a teacup sticker from Paper and Thread and a tea script from Plans to note I drank some tea. I then used a sticker sheet sticker from Planner Face and a pull sticker script from Bella Pan Ella to know I was pulling stickers. I then used a camera icon from the kit and a film script from Harriet Wright Designs to know I was filming some more videos, probably a plan with me. I then used a Good Hair Day sticker from Paper Dolls Co. to note that I finished my hair. Yeah, I started it the day before, and then the day before I was doing my mother-in-law's hair, and then this day I was doing my hair. That makes more sense. I then used a couple sticker from Papershire to note that we were binge watching The 100. I feel like I'm all over the place right now, I apologise. I then used another movie marquee and a Marvel sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. I don't remember what this character is called, but she's the one that can like read your mind basically and like control your emotions. I don't know. So note that I was watching Guardians of the Galaxy 2. Moving on to Saturday. So in that like double box extender, I only have the weekend banner there, so I don't know if I lift it up, but that's the only thing that's under there. At the start of Saturday, I used a alarm clock sticker from the kit to note that I woke up early. I then used a Papershire vanilla with like bread and egg to note that my husband made some breakfast. Then used a YouTube play button sticker from the kit. I had a Plan With Me binge script to note that I had a Plan With Me binge. I then used a Joy of Planning girl with stickers and an organised sticker script from Adorably Amy Designs to note that I organised my stickers. I guess I did open the double box extender if you just saw that. I then used a planning sticker from the Whimsical Cat Studio to note fun planning, which that script is from Bella Plan Ella. I then used another Whimsical Cat Studio sticker with like a laptop and a girl looking kind of stressed to note I was doing my assignment. The assignment script is from GP Studio. I then used a pink diamond planner girl who looks angry, and that is to note that I was really annoyed. I don't remember what at, but yeah, I was annoyed. And at the bottom I used a card from Papershire to note that I was running some errands. Maybe I do know why I was angry now, but we don't need to get into that. Until Sunday, at the top I used a Coffee Monsters Co. tea sticker again and a tea script from Plans to note I had some tea for breakfast, I guess. And then I used a YouTube bin sticker from the Ginger Cat Co. I then used a Papershire grocery girl with like a mask on and a grocery run script from a grocery run script from Adorably Amy Designs. I'm used to saying my scripts are from Bella Plan Ella. To note that I had a grocery run. I don't know if I did it with my husband or by myself. No, we did it together. Then I used a couple sticker from Papershire to note that we had some family time. Yeah, because my mother-in-law was in London. And then I used a Papershire binge watch sticker to know that we watched the 100. And then used a Joya Planning Go with stickers again, and an organised sticker script from Adorable Amy Designs, so now I was organising my stickers. And then I used a Valiant Gal looking at the fridge like late at night to note that I was really hungry and I had a late night snack. So I'm ahead of myself, so I think I need to start like talking a little bit slower in these plan with me's, but I'm used to having to like catch up. But now I guess because I'm always so prepared in this with my stickers pulled and everything ready that I do them a lot faster than I used to. So I'm going to try and speak a little bit slower. So that's the end of this video. I'm going to show you guys a wiggle soon, and I'm really, as I said in the last video, I'm really a fan of this rose gold sparkle foil. It's just so amazing, like it's just so shiny, and I just like kind of all the like pixie sparkly foils. I think those are my favorite and holographic, because you can really see them even in pictures, which is always a good thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think may enjoy it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. And I'm just going to end my voice over here and let you guys just watch the ending of this. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.